Vestil Manufacturing Corporation is an industry leader in the production and distribution of material handling equipment. We feature over 1,000 different product lines, many of which are in stock and ready for immediate shipment. We stand behind our products with people that listen to our customers' needs and find the best solution for their application. We deliver value to our customers by engineering new designs and products which increase productivity, improve workplace ergonomics, and decrease worker injury. We provide a broad product line to our customers in an efficient manner, allowing for the best possible customer experience. Vestil Manufacturing Corporation operates several facilities in the same industrial campus. We have a team of full-time engineers focusing on mechanical, fluid power, electrical, and industrial disciplines. Our sales and support staff are dedicated to providing the best customer experience possible. We also take pride in being a leader and front-runner in providing the best content and quality product data in the industry. A team of media specialists are standing by to assist you with our rich repository of content to best represent our products. This includes a state-of-the-art multimedia studio, product spec validation, and portal management. Vestil offers the most diverse product line in the industry through a philosophy of innovation. We believe that new product development and being first to market is the lifeblood of our organization. Vestil products are manufactured using over 100 different pieces of equipment. That list of equipment includes 2 sheet metal lasers, a tube laser, 2 CNC plasma tables, 2 CNC lathes, 3 CNC mills, 3 CNC bandsaws, 4 press brakes, 2 shears, a standalone warehouse management system, 106 steel and aluminum MIG welders, a state-of-the-art machine shop, over 80 welding stations, 3 robotic welders, an automated small package shipping line. The future for Vestil Manufacturing Corporation is bright. 2019 was another record sales year for the company. Outstanding, dependable people and continued excellence from our customers will lead the way.
Vestil Manufacturing, we've got it.
Please subscribe by clicking the button below, and don't forget to ring the bell to ensure you stay updated with our future content.